Hi, everybody. I'm so excited to present at the 2023 Women in Cybersecurity Conference. I will be your presenter on integrated risk management. My name is Lily Yo. I'm the CEO of C1 Risk. I've been in the industry for 24 years. Before cybersecurity was a major in colleges. It was before the Enron crisis, which resulted in Sarbanes-Oxley Act that completely transformed corporate governance in technology. Today, cybersecurity is mainstream. It's on CNN News, it's got more jobs than it can fill, and every country in the world is regulating data on digital assets. Cybersecurity is not just about the technical solutions. It is about governance and risk management. In my workshop, we will dive deep into integrated risk management. We'll talk about its elements, the obstacles, and how to build a sustainable cybersecurity risk program. See you there.